Pretty sure you didn't see this one coming. Welcome back, family, to another exciting episode of Yes Chef. I'm your host, as always, BigChefDro. This is the last one. We now have completed a beautiful playlist for your Super Bowl party. And with that being said, we always gotta add the element of surprise to it. Come on in, let's cook. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients for this lamb. First off, start of the show, our lamb, I'm gonna do 2 different racks. Now this is, lamb is getting expensive. This was in my freezer for a while when it wasn't as expensive as it is now. But go ahead and check those out. I got this from Sam's Club, and this actually comes 2 in a pack, somewhere around 50 bucks. So pretty expensive, but you know, if you don't have it, you know, everybody will understand, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and put the French's mustard on there as a binder. And then for one of these, or just my regular seasoning, and I'm continuing to say, watch out for my seasoning. So my blend of seasoning is going to go on there along with a mixture of herbs. Now I have parsley, dry oregano, dried basil, and dry thyme that I'm gonna put on there. Now, the second one is going to be my Jamaican jerk seasoning that I'm also going to bring out as well. And just in case, just so you know, I do have other videos about lamb lollipops, and a rack of lamb that you can cook in the oven. I will pin those up to the top so you can go ahead and check those out as well. And if you're interested in how this comes together, I also have a video of this where I did some Jamaican jerk fried chicken wings. You want to go check that one out as well to get that. So let's go ahead and put some mustard on here. Now, this is my first time doing lamb on a grill on camera. I have done it before, and the first time I did it, it absolutely blowed me away. I don't know why it's taking me so long to do it, but we'll go ahead, get our binder on here. Now, what you want to do is, well, I'll take some off of here. You want to get these sides, and you want to get under here as well, okay? And that's just going to ensure that everything kind of sticks to it. So you don't want too much of it on there. You can go ahead, add some more to this one since I took from it. See, I don't like it, for something like this, I don't want it too clumpy on there, because this isn't going to stay on the grill too long. Maybe an hour and a half or so, if I remember correctly, but we'll figure it out today. We will figure it out today. And just so you know, these always have 8 bones in them. So I'm going to go ahead, put this on here really good. Get the sides, get underneath. I'm not really worried about this part here. I mean, if you want to do it, you can. I do it when I'm doing it in the oven. I'm not too concerned about it on here. Then we'll go ahead, now this seasoning has some herbs in it, but we're gonna go ahead and cover this with some herbs. Okay, now that we have that one done, let's go ahead and get the Jamaican jerk rub on here as well. Absolutely. I mean, the smell of this Jamaican seasoning is, man, it's so good. All right. So we got that on there pretty good. And now let's go ahead, put these bad boys on the grill. All right, so we're out here on our char griller. We have the XD series, man. This is a bad boy. So inside you have 2 tiers. Both shelves roll out for convenience. And then you have your hot box here. I got some coal off in there. Then I got some on the chimney getting ready to go inside. So here I have mesquite, and I think this is hickory. I want to say this is hickory. So I'm going to start off once the coals go into the box. I'm going to just set these on top of it, and we'll get this thing rolling. So we'll see you when we get ready to put these on. All right, so we have our lambs ready to go, and I'm going to put this right in here next to my poor man's burnt ends. We're doing this on the same day that we're doing that, and the tomahawk. So I'm going to put these in here. All right, so we got those in there. We're gonna let those cook up for about an hour and a half, come back and test them, put the temperature gauge on them. All right, fam, so we're somewhere around 153, 154. This is perfect. This is the perfect temperature for my lamb chops. I'm usually somewhere around 155, 160. So these are ready to go. We're gonna go ahead, get these off of here real quick, and I'm gonna let these rest for about a good 30 minutes. I'm not gonna wrap them or anything. We're gonna let them rest, and then when we come back, we'll show you what we're gonna do with them. All right, fam, so we have our 2 lamb racks ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut into this bad boy, just to show you what we're working with. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. And now this stayed on the grill for about an hour and a half. It doesn't take long at all. The temperature was consistently at 250, and actually it jumped up to like 300 at one point. I had to go out there and close the vents up, but that was only for like a few minutes. But look at how tender, look at that beautiful color. Man, I can't wait to tear this up. All right, so let's go ahead and cut into the one. This is the jerk season one right here. Let's see what we have here. Man, look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, look at here. All right, so we're gonna get this all plated up, all cut and everything, and then we're gonna come right back. Let's see what we think about in the taste testing. All right, family. So we have our lamb ready to go. Now, we have a special guest to do the taste testing.
Hey, family.
This is my spiritual father, the Dr. William L. Glover. This is one of his favorite dishes that I prepare. So now he's never had the jerk. He's never had that. So this is gonna be a first time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the jerk first.
Okay.
And you can decide on which. This is the regular ones with the herb that I always do.
See, you use regular, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go with it. There is no.
There is no regular.
Okay.
Exceptional.
Exceptional. There you go.
All right.
Dap up.
Dap up.
Okay.
All right, fam.
All right. See, I usually will harass him a little bit. I can't. Not on these. These are amazing. I be doggone.
That's good.
These are amazing.
That's good.
This is a celebration, a culinary delight. My taste buds are literally dancing on my tongue.
Wow.
That's how good these are.
Wow.
You outdid yourself.
Wow. You taste that jerk seasoning?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
But it's the jerk, absolutely. It is amazing. But I gotta tell you, you have perfected cooking these to the right temperature and tenderness.
I think you've told me that a couple times.
I usually will give him a hard time, but
And he does.
I can't on this. This is just good. This is just good.
I appreciate it.
This is really good.
This is, man, I got you some jerk seasoning too to take with you.
Okay.
And you can make it hotter by putting chili flakes in
Send
it.
some lamb with it.
Of course I'm gonna send you some lamb. Of course, I ain't gonna let you go without no lamb.
All right. Just wanna make sure.
Hey, you ate on that lamb for about a day and a half. The last.
Oh man.
Well, family, look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, we're gonna add this to the game day playlist. Something real simple. It was just an hour and a half on the grill. That's it. So get this on the menu for the Super Bowl Sunday. Me and my pops, we're gonna be hanging out on Super Bowl Sunday. I might have to bring some of these with me. Who knows? But
I never would have thought lamb and football went together.
Yeah. In a lollipop form like this.
I'm not gonna knock it.
Yeah. This is a great one. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. But look, I have other lamb videos as well. I'm gonna post those up there on the top of the screen so you can go and see those videos as well. So I think I have 2 or 3 different other lamb videos, but this is a good one right here. I love this taste. So folks, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Don't forget, hit that like button. And if you wanna be a part of this family, hit that subscribe button. And on your way out, hit that notification bell. That'll ensure that you're up to date on everything that we come out with here on Yes Chef. Pops, you got anything else to say?
You're gonna want to get you some of these.
So until the next time we see you folks, until the very next video, as always, family, peace.